traveling and trading vlog coming to you guys from Jaco, Costa Rica. Thought I'd give you guys a little vlog, day in the life of a traveling trader. Oof, we got so much to cover. We're gonna give you guys room tours. We're gonna go out in the city. It's going to be an amazing time. I've been living here for the last 2 months. We got a big day today. It is a Wednesday, Fed rates day. The Fed is expected to raise rates 0.5%. But the rumors are it's going to be 0.75. It's going to be an interesting day today for Wednesday. Hopefully you can catch a trade before that. One thing I did do in my 6-month review, if you guys have not seen that video, I will show you an image right here and I will put it in the description below for you to watch. One of the things I was testing was how could I cut down on my losing streaks? And I noticed a lot of my losing trades are coming within the first 5 seconds to the first minute. I think it's the first 1 minute to 2 minutes is where all my losers are coming from, like most of them. So I thought, well, what happens if I wait 2 to 3 minutes to enter my trade and then enter the trade, right? Turns out I would cut my losing streaks in half. So I thought, well, hey, I want to cut that in half. The most I would have all year is 5. So what I would be doing for this next week and a half, 2 weeks, I guess I'm gonna say, is I'm going to wait 2-3 minutes to enter my trade and see how that turns out. Because I'm making this rule adjustment, I am going to half my risk for the whole week to 2 weeks, see how I can do, but still make some profits to cover my rent here in Costa Rica. And let me show you guys, it's a sweet place. So check it out. This is the place, $25 a night. You can't complain. We got an excellent workstation right over there. Nice kitchen. We got breakfast coming in right here. We got eggs, fruits. Can't go wrong with some Frank's Red Hot. A nice smoothie for the morning. Absolutely beautiful, huh? My gosh. Got some coffee. We're gonna show you guys the fridge. Nice bathroom for $25 a day, right downtown. Can't complain. Check out the fridge for you guys. Oh, look at this. I picked up a bottle of wine. I haven't had a bottle of wine in a couple months, so I thought I would pick up that. It's a nice wine from Argentina. Here it is, lots of fruit and protein. Chicken, we got some coffee from Costa Rica. Absolutely lovely. Can't complain. We go into the freezer up here. Got some fruit. Going hardcore here, healthy, working out. So that is the trading setup right there. We'll show you guys the balcony. I got oceanfront view, guys. You guys see that? Hold on, let me open up this. Oceanfront view, you see that? Here's the water. Whew. It's a beautiful day here. Come over here. Got the pool. Everybody loves a good pool. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely lovely. So hey, there is the room tour. We're gonna get to trading. Show you guys that. Day in the life. Go out and do some adventures. All right, let's go. Okay, we got our first trade on. We are trading crude oil. I'll give you guys a little look. Here we go. All right, so we got crude oil. What do we got? We got the live account going. Crude oil, 1 minute. Looking for a 3-to-1. We're gonna be risking $180 here. Looking for about a $500 win. $400. That will pay for my whole week here in Costa Rica. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We're gambling tonight. Once prices go 2-to-1, I'm going to move my stop to break even. But I really like this trade because it's a rally-based drop, very, very strong imbalance to the downside. Very, very strong. I like that. It broke upward momentum from previous pivot highs. It broke it, removed this area of demand as well. And so I'm just trading the pullback, clean arrival, looking for a 3-to-1. We'll move my stop to break even after a 2-to-1. Let's get this winner. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Just clear the spread. Come on, baby. Oh, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me, baby. Doesn't this suck when price does this? Oh my gosh, no. No. Oh my gosh. How is that possible? Come on. You can't flirt with me once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. and then go up and hit my stop. You gotta go down and smash that take profit. Come on. Come on. Show the people that discipline pays. Being patient, sticking to your rules pays off. Yes. Boom. Boom, baby, let's go. Easy win, easy win. Balls were sweating that trade. Oh, this thing is going now, eh? Thing's dropping. Hey, good trade. That just shows you the importance of sticking to your rules, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let me show you guys another trade that I was looking at. Oh, it's coming in. Oh, no. We're gonna stay out of this one. It based out, so I'm not going to enter it. One of the trades I was looking at was USD Canadian. I was looking at potentially getting into this short, but I'm not liking the arrival, how it's coming back up into here and basing out and then coming back up. I think you're good for a quick little scalp. 1-to-1, maybe 1.5-to-1, but ultimately I don't think it's a wise idea at selling the United States dollar right now, especially when all year the money has just been flowing into it. One of the trades I was looking at was gold. I was posting it in my watch list down here on the 1 minute, but prices already went 2-to-1 before prices came back. So this is what I was looking at. I was looking at buying this pullback right down here. Very, very strong move to the upside, right? That's a lot of buyers coming in. That told me that they saw a lot of value down in here. It also broke that downward trend line, removed the opposing pivot point supply zone. Nice tight base, price coming straight back into it. So I was trying to get filled on this black candle when it just came back, but prices went on to hit 2-to-1 and then came back. So that is the new set of rules I'm testing out this week. So that's why I'm doing half risk. But hey, I'm sure a couple people did manage to make some money on a couple of those trades. But hey, I think I am done trading for the day. Hit the gym, go out for a walk. I don't know. Take you guys along the journey. Let's get it. We're going for a hike. Here we go. Gotta love the Costa Rica hikes. Oh my gosh. I had to stop and catch my breath. I was running up the hill. I like to do that as soon as I start this hike. I do it a couple times a week. I like to sprint up about 100 yards up the hill. Then I like to walk the rest. It's absolutely beautiful. Woo. Almost fell. Traveling trader dies in small waterfall trailing down a mountain. Okay, let's get this thing going. Gonna do a little walk and talk for 5 minutes. Oh, you gotta love Costa Rica. Check this out. Absolutely beautiful. We got a water fountain right here. Waterfall. We go to this one. Is it clean? I have no idea. Woo. Huh. I hope so. Let's go. Let's get this thing going. Man, Costa Rica, been here a couple times already. Absolutely love it. It's so beautiful. It's such a small country, but you can do everything here, especially in this town of Jaco. You want to go hiking for free like what I'm doing? There's many different trails throughout Jaco and Costa Rica. You want to party? Okay, they got casinos here. They have prostitution here if you like that type of stuff. Lots of bars, awesome food. That's one of the main things I need when I go to a place and live there for a bit. It needs to have good food because I like to spoil myself. I don't want to be eating beans and rice every single day, right? Amazing food. It's got the beach. Love the beach, big beach person. It's got mountains, beaches, nightlife, great food. There's cheap places as well as very expensive places. It's a small town of 20,000 people, 15,000 people, but it looks a lot bigger. At first, when I first came here on my first trip, I was like, damn, I'm really disappointed with this. You like surfing? It's a great place. Awesome. What else about this great town, man? Strongly recommend it. Costa Rica, just in general, amazing country. You could go to the Caribbean side in 4 or 5 hours by going by car. Whew, just a great place. Anyways, enough about Costa Rica. Let's get this thing going. Oh my gosh, we might see some monkeys. This is usually where I see the monkeys. They're usually hanging out in these tall trees right here. I'm not paying attention, but usually they're moving the trees around. That's how I know where they are. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Look at that. Man, I love this country. So I was going to buy the NASDAQ, but when I did my 6-month review, I noticed I'm like 29% win rate when it comes to buying the stock market. So if I was going to buy a NASDAQ daily demand zone, which I really liked this setup, I really did. But when I reviewed, I said, well, hey, I'm 29% winner when I buy the stock market. So why the heck would I want to be buying the stock market if I'm a 29% winner? And overall, like 70% of the trading days so far this year have been huge negative days. I'm asking a lot from the market. So completely eliminated buying the stock market for right now. It's a good call. Really like buying the dollar, even though I hate the dollar. It's just that's where the money is going into. When it comes to my shorting the stock market, I'm like a 50% winner with 3-to-1 reward to risk. So I'm gonna keep selling that thing as much as I can for right now until the market conditions change. There was a really good, I think I talked about that NASDAQ trade, right? And I said I skipped on it, but there was also one on the dollar, but it was a selling opportunity. I was talking about this on my Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. I was talking about it everywhere, saying, hey, I really like this setup. The dollar has been shooting up nonstop for 3 months. Then it was shooting down for how long? Like 2 weeks. Then it went sideways for a week and then it shot up again. And I really like selling this thing, but the dollar is just so powerful this whole year. So why would I want to be selling the dollar, right? So I said, hey, I'm going to use that as my higher time frame and maybe use it for looking for selling opportunities on a smaller time frame. But that daily zone that I marked out took off. It hit the daily supply and it just dropped instantly. Would have been a nice winner, but hey, I'm gonna stay disciplined to this plan for the next 2 weeks. Just test it out. I've noticed I've definitely avoided a lot of trades, but I've also missed a lot of trades. So I'm just going to be testing it out to see if I wait 2 to 3 candlesticks and then I enter my trade, as well as not buying the stock market, of course, right? So we're gonna finish this walk. It's absolutely beautiful. My gosh. I'll see you at the top because I think it's like an abandoned house up there. Let's go. I don't think I mentioned where this is exactly. You got to go to Puddlefish Brewing, which is on the opposite side of Jaco, the south end of Jaco, and it's directly across the street. And you just start walking up the hill. And eventually, after 15-20 minutes of walking up a hill, you'll run into this. And just walk this for 1 minute and we'll be there. Absolutely beautiful. Got the city right down there. Where is it? Here? Yeah. Man, 2 monkeys. Just 2 monkeys were sitting in the tree next to me and this guy comes over and talks to me and it's distracting me and then the monkeys jump away. What an idiot. I'm the idiot. I'm the idiot. That's my fault. Absolutely beautiful though, eh? My gosh. Beautiful view. Check out the artwork. Yeah, my gosh. There's a really cool art piece down there. I'm not gonna bring you guys, I don't think you guys really care too much, but I'll show a little picture of what it is. It's like a bird smoking a joint or a cigar or something like that. We got some beautiful ladies down here as well doing their workout. I think they got, you guys see that? Gotta love Costa Rica, man. Beautiful woman, beautiful place. Recommend it. But hey guys, I think we are going to end it here for this video of Traveling Trader. We'll have another traveling trading video next week. If you guys want to learn more about how I'm trading, you can go to moneyballtrading.com where I will send you videos on how to trade the supply and demand methodology, the exact setup trade that I showed you in this video today. A lot more on that, interviews, my top 3 tips for trading, real trading versus demo trading, all that covered, the top 3 tips if you want to be traveling and trading just like myself. Check that out, moneyballtrading.com. You guys want to reach out to me on social media at moneyball_austin, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one. Comment, like, subscribe. If you guys love this, like, subscribe, let me know what you guys thought, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Okay, really quickly, I got the monkeys. There's one there, and there's one there. These are the guys that, I'll show you guys, these are the guys that stopped me to get a photo of them and talk to them for a minute. Wow, how many does it take? ¿Cuántos naranjas?
Four.
4? 4?
4.
Jesus.
We five.
5? Holy smokes. Jesus. That's a lot of oranges.
Yes.
Muy bien. Gracias.
Yeah.
Oh, it's amazing. Excelente. Gracias, amigo.
Excellent.
So fresh. 1,000?
1,000.
Gracias. Woohoo!